Hello everyone, myself Bhavna Thakkar. In previous standard, you have already studied about number system and Z, Q, R and the set of natural numbers, Z the set of integers, Q the set of rational numbers and R the set of real numbers. But the real number system is not sufficient to solve all type of equation such as x square plus 9 is equal to 0. So we require to introduce a new number system that is called C, the set of complex numbers to solve all type of equations. So today we are going to learn about complex numbers. First, why we need complex numbers? If x minus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 1, which is belongs to and the set of natural numbers. If x square minus 9 is equal to 0, then x square is equal to 9. So x is equal to plus minus 3, which is belongs to z, the set of integers. If 4x square minus 9 is equal to 0, then 4x square is equal to 9. So x is equal to plus minus 3 by 2, which is belongs to q, the set of rational numbers. If x square minus 2 is equal to 0, then x square is equal to 2. So x is equal to plus minus root 2, which is belongs to R, the set of real numbers. But if x square plus 9 is equal to 0, then what is the value of x? यहाँ पे x square plus 9 is equal to 0. So x square is equal to minus 9. So x is equal to plus minus square root of minus 9. Till now, we don't know about the square root of negative numbers. इसको हम रियल नंबर सिस्टम यानी कि आर में हम सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते. So we introduce a new number system that is called complex number. And for this, mathematician introduce a new kind of number, square root of minus 1, and that is denoted by I, means iota is equal to square root of minus 1. So is equal to plus minus square root of 9 into minus 1 is equal to plus minus square root of 9 into square root of minus 1. Now, square root of 9 is 3 and square root of minus 1 is I. So, x is equal to plus minus 3i is the solution of the given equation x square plus 9 is equal to 0. तो पहले हम देखते हैं कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर की डेफिनेशन. A number of the form x plus iy is called complex number and is denoted by z, and value of I is square root of minus 1, means I square is equal to minus 1. Z is equal to x plus iy is complex number. Here x is real part of z and that is denoted by RE, means real part of z. And y is imaginary part which is denoted by Im, imaginary part of Z. So x is real part of Z and y means I का coefficient is imaginary part of Z. For example, Z is equal to 3 plus phi I. Then real part of Z is equal to 3 and imaginary part of Z is equal to 5 because coefficient of I is 5. So imaginary part of Z is equal to 5. Clear? If Z is equal to 2 minus 7i, then real part of Z is equal to 2 and imaginary part of Z is equal to, यहाँ पे I का कोएफिशिएंट -7, so imaginary part of Z is -7. इसको हम x plus iy के साथ कंपेयर करें तो x is equal to 2 means real part of Z is 2 and y is equal to -7 means imaginary part of Z is -7. Clear? Now complex number Z can also be represented as an ordered pair xy means Z is equal to x plus iy is equal to ordered pair xy. For example, Z is equal to 3 plus 7i is equal to 3, 7, ordered pair 3, 7. For Z is equal to -2 minus 5i. तो इसको हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं -2 minus 5. Clear? If Z is equal to 3 तो इसको हम लिखेंगे x प्लस आई वाई फॉर्म में यानी कि 3 प्लस 0i. तो यहाँ पे रियल पार्ट मीन्स x इज इक्वल टू 3 एंड इमेजिनरी पार्ट मीन्स y इज इक्वल टू 0. सो इज इक्वल टू 3 0. और यहाँ पे है रियल पार्ट 3 एंड इमेजिनरी पार्ट है 0. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड प्योरली रियल नंबर. इफ z इज इक्वल टू 4i तो इसको x प्लस आई वाई के फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. तो 0 प्लस 4i इज इक्वल टू 0 4. तो यहाँ पे है रियल पार्ट 0 एंड इमेजिनरी पार्ट 4. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड प्योरली इमेजिनरी नंबर. क्लियर?